Hello and welcome. I'm Shakshi Giri and you're watching TSW News. Let's take a look at the top headlines from India and around the world. Army and ITBP wrap up a Chuk Prahar exercise in Arunachal Pradesh ahead of PM Modi's China visit. A high-altitude drill showcased seamless Army-ITBP coordination, signaling India's robust defense readiness. India leverages UPI system to broaden credit access for small businesses. NPCI allows banks to issue credit via UPI, aiding vendors and small enterprises. Howrah-Rourkela Vande Bharat Express to expand from 8 to 16 coaches. Upgrade aims to make travel more comfortable and accessible for commuters. India-China relations thaws. Modi said to meet Xi Jinping at SCO summit. Improved engagement marks Modi's first visit to China in 7 years. Modi and PM Ishiba unveiled joint 10-year vision, pledged $68 billion Japanese investment. Deal spans security, clean energy, economy, technology and AI. India elevates strategic partnership with Japan amid global shifts, emphasize on economic security and high-tech collaboration. Modi promotes India as innovation hub. Indo-Japan Forum explores AI, semiconductors and defense cooperation, aiming for a transformative regional pact. Violence mars Teej celebration in Chandigarh. Bride injured in knife attack. A stabbing incident at a celebration raised urgent safety concerns. India to deploy over 700 soldiers for exercise Bright Star 2025 in Egypt. A move enforcing its commitment to international military collaboration. Jaswinder Bhalla's final prayer ceremony scheduled today. The Punjabi cinema legend will be honoured by fans and family alike. India's GDP jumps to a 5-quarter high of 7.8% in April to June, reflects robust economic recovery. School urged to register 2026 board exam candidates by September 30. CBSE implements new exam framework ahead of time. BCCI drops Yashasvi Jaiswal and others from Asia Cup squad. Shubman Gill named all-format captain. Major squad reshuffle as India prepares for Asia Cup 2025. Param Sundari, starring Siddharth Malhotra and Janhvi Kapoor, released with an instant buzz. The romantic comedy's release garnered mixed critical reaction. AI and education. India introduces AI for everyone strategy through Reliance's upcoming AI subsidiary. A bold vision to scale AI across society. That's all for now. These were today's top headlines. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to TSW News for more news from India and around the world. Thank you.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.